hotties, it's me Scotty here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on the spring is coming makeup look. It's getting nice outside. I'm from Chicago, so you know we've been dealing with those harsh weathers. It's been getting nice outside. I'm already throwing on my denim looks, you know, for being a preggers. I'm over here busting out my denim jacket. I got this on Amazon for about like 20 bucks, I think. You know, I cropped it out myself. It was a full-length jacket. So I'm into crop jackets, and even though I'm preggers, I'm still gonna rock it. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on how I got this makeup look right here. We're working with orange, yellow, blue tones today. I got the blue to go with my jacket, the red to match my top. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and show you and how I got this look right here. Trying to think of anything else that I'm missing. I guess that's it for now. So, you know, stay tuned for my eyeliner tutorial that's coming out soon. I'm gonna show different techniques on how to get the perfect wing liner. I'll also be doing the husband does my makeup challenge, where my husband Alex will be doing my makeup. A little scared for that, but we'll see how that goes. And also my Maleficent inspired makeup look. Since I already did Princess Aurora, I'll link that down below. A Maleficent makeup look will be coming out soon. Stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So to get started on this spring is coming makeup look, we're gonna go ahead and prime our face using the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. I'm going to go ahead and jump into my everyday foundation. I'm going to go into the Broadway Colors BB Cream. I know I said foundation, but this is like a foundation to me. We're going to go ahead and lighten my face up with concealer, which is a good thing I got this really pale. I'm gonna go ahead and put dots on my face. See if I'm already getting lighter. I know it's only gonna be in that spot, but when we use a baking powder, it's gonna go ahead and lighten our skin up. We're gonna grab this shade right here. We're gonna use that to bake today. Somebody asked, like, how long do you usually bake for? Well, when you go ahead and set your under eyes, you want to leave it there for a while. So I would recommend leaving it there until you finish your eye makeup. But I mean, you can't do your under eye makeup because of the bake sheet's in the way. So that's when you would clean it up. But now let's say you've done your eye makeup already and you know you haven't done your face yet. How long would you bake for? I would say you would bake until you finish your whole, like, let me think. After you bake, you probably leave it there for like maybe a good 10 minutes, maybe less, like 5-10 minutes. Just make a note that the longer you bake, the better the outcome's gonna be. This is just so you don't crease. It also stops your oily parts, because I mean we all get oily around our T-zone area. Some people get oily around their cheeks. But also the baking sheet right here is going to help any fallout from shimmer shadows, pigments, you know. So it's a great way to catch it so you don't ruin your base. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off cameras. And if you want to know how to do your eyebrows, you can go to my description box below. And there will be a link of Eyebrow Tutorial 101 where I show you how to make natural looking brows. So there's that. I'll be right back. So now that we have our eyebrows like done, we're gonna go ahead and prime our lids and set it with the translucent powder. Today I'm gonna be using the Broadway Colors Eye Primer, which wears a shock. I'm gonna go ahead into the 18 Hit Wonders palette, and we're gonna take this peachy shade right here called Peachy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our packer brush, tap off the excess, and we're just gonna go ahead and place it above the crease area, pack it on. My Jewel Pop palette, I'm going to go ahead and grab this orange shade right here and put that into my crease. You always, when you're working with bright colors, depending on the look you're going for, always pack it first before blending it out. That way you get the desired shape and desired pigment you want. Just so it's barely there. Now we're going to go ahead and back into this palette and grab the shade Solar. We're just going to pack that onto our lid. No, we're not cutting the crease today. We're going to blend the colors together. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it onto the lid. It's okay if it's on top of the orange, because we're going to blend those colors in together. Now that I'm completely satisfied with this eye look, we're going to go ahead and set the rest of my face and remove the bake powder. So going into the CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder, I'm going to go ahead and use this to set the rest of my face, and I'm going to go ahead and sweep away the powder while I'm at it. Now that I've got the desired eye look I want, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Eyes are complete. We're going to go ahead and do the rest of our face because we are looking very pale here compared to our eyes. So we're going to go ahead and dip into our LA Colors Contour Palette again, and we're going to dip into this taupe shade right here and to carve out our cheeks. We're going to give our cheeks some love by adding this Milani blush in the color Tea Rose number 8. Use this highlighting shade right here. We're going for a subtle look here, so we're not going to try to glam it up. To tie this look together, we're going to go ahead and use this lip paint, long lasting smudge proof lip color in the color Pucker Up. Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. And that, you guys, concludes today's video of this spring is coming makeup look. You tell me what you think. I think this red lips pull this whole look together. It's so bold, and it ties this whole look together. The fact that I'm using colors for this look, it's just wow, it's amazing. I think the orange and yellow blended really lightly together, and I love the outcome of it. The blue ties it up, and especially goes with the pop of my jacket, the lips with my shirt, the blue for my jacket. You tell me what you think on how this look come out to be. If you have any suggestions on what look you want to work with, what colors you want to work on more, you can go ahead and write that down in the description below. Stay tuned for my eyeliner tutorial. I'll be showing you on how to get the wing liner. I'll show you about 2-3 different techniques on what you can do. And also we're going to be learning on how and what kind of liner you should be using. So stay tuned for that. Also, be ready for my husband does my makeup challenge, where he does my makeup, and let's just say I'm a little scared for that. My husband has no experience in it. He doesn't really watch what I do. He gives me my own space when I do my makeup, so he doesn't know my usual routine. Hopefully he studies up and watches a couple of my videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram is scottytohottie.4. Twitter is scottytohottie_4. Oh, look at me on a roll. Twice. Perfect. Okay. Also, well, I guess that's it for now. So I'll see you guys next time. And I'll catch you later. Bye, hotties.